Hey everybody, Dr. Alan Bauman here. This week has been amazing. We just got back from the International Society of Hair Restoration Surgery out there in Los Angeles, which is a great show. And we just found out we won the top industry award from Aesthetic Everything. You know, I'm reminded about Commander Chris Hadfield, the astronaut, who once said, ultimately, leadership is not about glorious crowning acts. It's about keeping your team focused on a goal and motivated to do their best to achieve it. Therefore, in that vein, I'm pleased to accept this award once again on behalf of my entire team of dedicated and passionate professionals at Bauman Medical. To my amazing team, it's a blessing and truly a privilege to work amongst you and alongside you to help change lives for the better. And of course, a big thank you to all my patients, colleagues, and friends for your nominations and votes. I'm honored by the outpouring of support for what we do here at Bauman every single day. I'd also like to take this moment to recognize all of this year's Aesthetic Everything's nominees and all the other industry category award winners. It's truly a humbling experience to be considered amongst those who have contributed so much to the field of hair restoration surgery and the field of aesthetic and cosmetic medicine. You know, as we pass our 20th year milestone here at Bauman Medical, I'd really like to dedicate this award to our current and future hair loss patients. You know, they're the true winners in this continual mission to provide the most effective hair restoration treatments and procedures and quality patient care. From the bottom of my heart, and from everyone here at Bauman Medical Hair Transplant and Hair Loss Treatment Center, thank you, Aesthetic Everything, and thank you all again.